Hi, this time I'm going to create a really simple video. I'm just going to go through the basic, basically how I go about gluing a neck onto the ukulele body.
You're always worth it.
Really, gluing the neck to the ukulele body isn't very complicated. It can be complicated on a guitar because the pulling string, the strength of the strings will just rip the whole neck off if I were to use the same method building a classical guitar or especially a steel string guitar. But since this is a ukulele, I'm not going to use a whole lot of strengthening methods to strengthen the neck joint. So I'm just basically going to glue. I have, of course, a block of wood within the body itself, but I'm just going to glue the neck, the whole piece, straight onto the ukulele body itself. So I'm just going to shape it, round it a bit before I glue it on, and you'll see that. But this is going to be a short video. Next week I'm going to be starting doing something different, where I'll go about doing up the workshop again, because it needs cleaning, and I'm going to try and film the whole process. And because I will be doing that, there'll only be one video next week, probably next Thursday or next Friday, and I think the next 2 or 3 weeks there will only be one video, because the project is just a whole lot larger than the projects I've been showing you up till now. So so hopefully you'll enjoy those, and if you want to figure out how to follow me, you just have to hit subscribe, or just follow me on Modern Strings on Facebook, and I'll post new information, and you'll also be notified when the new video comes. So like the video, it is a support for me, and also it's a huge support if you subscribe as well.